Hi, I'm Russ Emerson, and I'm the head of partnerships at Sentient. And today I'm here to speak to you about demystifying AI and talk about how AI has helped and will help the evolution of marketing. In this day and age, the marketing industry is more digitized and automated than ever before. I think everyone can agree to that. Routine marketing activities like email marketing, lead generation, and website optimization are increasingly automated by software, many of which leverage artificial intelligence. AI-backed MarTech, or marketing technologies, solutions are becoming increasingly popular as a way to increase efficiency in workflow and help marketers get back to doing what marketers do best, brand creation and strategy, rather than routine digital work. A Forrester report found that 79% of all companies surveyed believe AI technology will shift marketing toward more strategic work, such as audience segmentation, product innovation, and incentives. It seems that marketers will need to adopt some form of AI to stay competitive in the future, as AI is playing a large part in speeding up routine processes and letting data lead the way in the development of their websites and the personalization of their content. Now, in the world of MarTech solutions, there's a lot of talk about leveraging evolutionary algorithms, or models that learn and shift to each context and also train other models to behave similarly. Our product in particular uses EA to speed up website testing capabilities when testing and redesigning websites. If you think about it, all technology evolves. EA has helped websites evolve in similar ways as other products, such as the car or the cell phone, have done. If you think about it, this really isn't that long ago, and how far we have come. Now, bringing it back to our context, websites have also evolved. Think about some of the earliest websites. Do you remember how boxy and unappealing some of the earliest sites looked? Websites evolved from what was basically a digital phone book in the 90s to clunky, somewhat bidirectional communication platforms in the 2000s to mid-2000s, to what we have today. Sleek, interactive sites that seem to achieve movie-quality production. Again, an example of where we have evolved in a short amount of time. Our sites today have branding capabilities and can track and record data in a much more customized manner, with cookies planted on their visitors for further personalization. It's here where AI products like Sentient Ascend come into play. Sentient Ascend and EA products like ours that use AI are helping companies further evolve and improve their website for the highest possible conversions and to create the most personalized website experience for their visitors. Here are some of the problems that EA-based multivariate testing solutions seek to resolve. Overcoming human bias and preferences for design ideas. We've all been in this meeting. Humans sit around throwing ideas around and land on a random selection of designs that may or may not improve conversions. How would you know if you don't have data backing it up? There's also an issue of human error. Say in a group brainstorming session, ideas are thrown out, but the majority of people defer to the boss's idea because he or she is higher up in the corporate food chain, and they, as their subordinates, want to appear respectful, even if they know their boss's idea may not be the best one. With AI-based solutions, we take away the possibility of human fallacy by testing the designs and letting the data speak for itself. Example, the red CTA button may just be better than the blue CTA in increasing conversions, even if your boss was set on the blue button due to his personal experience. Problem 2, overcoming the burden of wasted time with antiquated testing processes. Generally, when companies are testing their websites, they use A/B testing solutions in which they are only testing one element at a time. This is slow, clunky, and inefficient, and more importantly, does not produce the most accurate results. With an AI-fueled evolutionary testing solution, companies can test several ideas all at once and use evolutionary algorithms to find the best combination of winning design elements, not just one or two changes, but a whole range of them, to find the best possible version of their website to increase conversions. Problem 3, optimize for ideal audience via auto-segmentation. In the world of e-commerce, online retailers are finding new and innovative ways to attract and appeal to each segment of their website traffic. In order to do this, online retailers need to differentiate between visitors coming from different segments of their traffic, for instance, mobile versus desktop, male versus female, morning visitors versus afternoon visitors, etc., etc. AI-backed solutions are now providing users with auto-segmentation, which means automatically segmenting portions of their website traffic into groups such as male-female demographic, location, mobile desktop device, time, and a combination of those characteristics. The platform then automatically drives those traffic segments to a particular version of the website design that is tailored specifically to that segment or type of visitor. So, for instance, middle-aged females accessing the site from their desktop might see a different version of the site than young millennial males accessing the site from their mobile devices. Does this sound familiar at all? 10 years ago, this would have been done in the form of building what were called personas. This is Bob. Bob works in IT and is 45. He's looking for blah, blah, blah. The evolved versions of persona is now the data-backed persona that are identified and proven with the behavior of your traffic and, more importantly, can change and evolve in real time. Similarly, back in the day, the only people that could change your web design or site in general were designated webmasters, people whose sole purpose at the company was to tweak and update your website, from the smallest update to the biggest update. Nowadays, you are able to change your website on the fly, and now with AI-backed solutions, you can automatically shift and change your site in a millisecond to each certain kind of visitor or digital persona that is coming your way. So in essence, auto-segmentation is like the new and improved digital version of old-school marketing personas combined with the webmaster capabilities, now enhanced with AI to solve modern problems in marketing, mainly increasing website conversions. So to conclude, websites have evolved in the same way cars have. Cars and websites both went from clunky and functional to sleek and efficient. Websites are now these highly efficient and interactive branding platforms that can communicate with customers, track their behavior, and automatically personalize to their needs in hopes of luring them into a particular action: click, download, or buy. AI platforms like Sentient are evolving the modern-day problem in marketing of increasing these website conversions by allowing companies to test and evolve their sites to make them the best and most desirable versions they can be. Our product, in a way, marks a notch in the timeline of the evolution of websites and in the industry of marketing in general. It combines upgrading webmaster capabilities, data-backed versions of personas in the form of modern-day web traffic, and uses AI to turbocharge website testing so that users can find the most optimal website design to serve their users. See, AI is not so scary and pretentious after all. It might just be useful for you and your company. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you very much for joining us. Please feel free to share it with anybody who would be interested. If you'd like to know more information, please check out our website, or if you'd like to talk in person, drop us an email. Thanks.